Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out 5 best buy smartwatch in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion in hours of research and have listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Wearable devices monitors human activities through electronic sensors, and they are at the consumer electronics level. Average star rating, 4.3. Order this product 403 people. "100% new label and high quality operating mode, one touch boot, long press function key." Average star rating, 4.8. Order this product 349 people. Heart rate tracker, blood pressure, blood oxygen. Average star rating, 5. Order this product 801 people. Machine weight single head 60 grams, touch screen, fully fit, multi-touch product. Modeling sports health watch. Average star rating, 4.7. Order this product 2,989 people. Heart rate tracker, blood pressure, blood oxygen. Average star rating, 4.7. Order this product 6,781 people. Do you want to hear product link in the description box? Which backpack do you want to take? Tell us about your experience in the comments, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share this video on your Facebook, Twitter or Instagram.